So you just got in an accident. You're trying to figure out, should I drive my car or not? Let's help figure it out. All right, so first thing, there are lights on the dash. There's no lights on the dash for like collision warnings or overheating issues, things like that. Make sure you get out and walk around and make sure there's no fluids leaking. Make sure none of the tires are damaged. And if that's all right, at least maybe you can go drive it to a body shop. If it's pulling real bad, you gotta be real careful though, because if it's pulling real bad, you know, that's not safety driving. You could blow a tire out, something like that, and you don't wanna cause more damage to a car after the accident. If there's anything falling off, hanging down, anything like that, best just to get it towed. Don't try to drive that thing. A lot of times we see cars where somebody's gotten a wreck and you can't open the hood. So usually when that happens, we'll go look them over and be like, well, depends on how soon you got to change your oil or anything like that. But as long as nothing's leaking and fans are running, things like that, you're usually okay for a little bit while we get some parts in for your car. So just be extremely cautious if you are going to drive a car, if it's anything more than super minor cosmetic stuff. Because there's always a good chance, especially getting hit in any of the bumpers or anything like that, there's hidden damage behind there that, you know, the car's not going to react the same if you get in another accident. It's always better to stay on the safe side and get it towed instead of just assuming that you can drive it. If there's ever any question, just get it towed. So as usual, if you are in an accident, you ever got any questions or need anything, give us a call here at Johnson Auto Body. We can set up a tow, we can get you in, get you fixed right up.